Hello, in front of me I've got Doogee T10. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning let's go to Wallet and tap Add to Wallet button. Now focus on Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's select Transit Pass, and if you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty, and now select Loyalty program you are participating in. Scan your card or enter member ID manually. In the end, let's select Gift Card, which is pretty similar to Loyalty Card because you have to select Shop, enter card number, PIN, balance and your notes, then tap Add to Wallet. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.